Take a look at this carnage. This is a Pro 2 motor. Here's what happened yesterday at the race. Take a look. Blew a hole through the cases.
Both sides.
Both sides. Now my man over here, what's your name, sir?
Michael.
Michael.
My last name's Cox.
Nice to meet you, Michael.
Mike Cox.
Are you with Troy Cox?
No.
Okay. Who was running this motor right here?
Cole Mayers, I think his last name is.
Okay.
He's right here.
There he is. And what we're trying to do is save the head off this thing?
Yeah.
Wow. Have you ever seen one this bad?
I've never seen an LS motor this bad.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah, this is bad.
Let's give you another look at this LS motor. Let us know in the comments, have you ever seen one this bad? This is crazy. What's the official model of this motor?
LS3.
LS3, okay. Wow, take a look at this side.
This side's window too.
Oh my God, how does that happen? No oil pressure? Or?
I don't know.
Man, was that late in the race that happened?
I guess last lap, yeah.
On the very last lap, here's what happened. Wow, on this LS3 motor. Cracked the piston. This is terrible.
You can see too, this piston. See how it's cattywamped? This side's below the deck and this side's above it.
Good Lord.
Yeah.
Not much left, huh?
No. This is gonna be the bad side. That head's salvageable. Yeah, this is clear out.
Are you the driver, sir?
Yeah.
No. What do you make of this carnage over here?
Expensive.
Oh, it sure is.
Very expensive.
What do you think we're talking about in terms of cost?
These from Lucas are $9,900.
$9,900 for these motors. Unbelievable. At least you can save the heads, because the heads aren't cheap.
Well, they can't reuse the heads in the series. So the engines have to be totally sealed as they come from Lucas.
Okay, so they'll use the head for a different application?
I'm going to use the heads in my Ford Bronco.
There you go.
Yeah.
Hey, it's good to know it's not going to waste.
Yeah.
Anything else that might be salvageable? Like the valve springs?
Take the cam.
Take the cams?
Yeah. And that front cover.
Okay.
But the block's pretty much done, you know?
Yeah, that block is toast.
This is rod.
Wow. That's amazing. Thank you for the close look. Racing is, it certainly takes a lot of cubic dollars to keep a race team going. Isn't that the truth?
And patience.
Yeah, and patience.
You know, because this is frustrating.
This is devastating.
Yeah. So, and I'm just a random bystander.
You're a random bystander.
Yeah.
And they told you could have the parts.
Yeah.
That's cool, man.
Yeah.
That's really cool. Where are you from?
Chino, California.
Chino, and you came all the way down here to Mexico and you get some parts.
Yeah.
How about that?
Yeah, it's pretty neat.
Good stuff.
Yeah.
Now, where's the team that this came out of? Right here?
Falcon.
Okay, so they're out of practice right now. We'll check in with them in a little bit.
Yeah.
Thanks for the close look. Again, take a look. My goodness. Well, this gentleman, who is a motorhead performance freak, he was at the right place, the right time. That's pretty darn cool, though.
Yeah.
So good luck on your Bronco.
Oh, thanks, man.
You got it. Wow. You never know what you're going to see out here at the races. Lucas Oil Off-Road Racing Series. This is wild.
Make sure that training is going in a second the right way.
How you doing, Cole? How's that new motor feel?
I don't know. That one? This one. That one's got a few holes in her foot.
I'm so sorry about that. What happened yesterday?
I don't really know. There's about 3 holes in the side of the motor. We lost the bearings and a couple wrist pins into the skid plate. But you know what? We did a good break-in process on the motor in qualifying this morning. Was easy on it for about a straightaway, and then we let her and now the truck's fastest qualifier. So
there you go. Did you have any warning signs before that one let go, or did it just pop?
No, it just popped. You know, what they always say is they run the best right before they let go. But
really,
we're proving the people the new motor run just as good too.
Okay, excellent. Well, good luck to you today, and we hope that it's a nice trouble-free day for you.
So my crew, I can't thank them enough. They stayed up all night worked on this thing.
How many hours you think for the motor change?
Ooh, man, we worked on it until 3:30 this morning. Woke up at 5 o'clock again this morning and start working on it again.
How about that?
So they're running on about a 2-hour power nap, but the first place qualifying wakes them up a little bit.
There you go. Well, good luck to you, and appreciate the hard work to get back out here.
Yep.
Good luck. You can see a true labor of love out here for racing. There you go. I'm sorry I don't have any stickers. They may though. I'm sorry. Give you a look at the new power plant. Well protected, well covered. Constant flurry of activity here in the pits, especially in the Lucas Oil Off-Road Racing Series. Here comes the heads. Woo!
Terrible. Yeah.
We're
Not bad. What's going on?
It's gonna hop up your Bronco.
Yeah. That's all? Yeah, it's just a reaching going home. Yeah. Thanks, man. Dude, look at that. Is it right or no? Look.
Oh, ouch.
I don't know. So these are supposed to be sealed from GM. Like valve covers on different sides and all kinds of weird shit. Yeah. One guy got one with no compression, so we're thinking they're fucking falling apart.
What a wonderful gift for a lucky fan. For more, please make sure you subscribe to this channel, Cycle Drag on YouTube, and like cycledrag.com on Facebook. There's a lot on there. Thanks a lot.